Hey besties, welcome to my self-care routine. It is a short one, but I feel like this is something that really needed to be done. So lately, I feel like I've been letting myself go a little bit. I've been so busy with work and just trying to keep up with everyday life, and I feel like my self-care has been getting kind of pushed aside. My facial hair is growing out like crazy. My hair is dry. My skin needs some love. My nails need to be done. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. And I just want to feel like me again. And I realized I didn't feel like me because all these things are getting neglected. I think sometimes we convince ourselves that just because we're busy or tired or going through something, that taking care of our appearance isn't that important. But I think it's the complete opposite. Because if you look better, you feel better. And we deserve to be at our best no matter what we have going on. You don't need to spend a ton of money at the salon. I'm going to show you how I do these things right at home. So starting off, wax. I got this wax kit from Amazon. And I'm about to tackle this peach fuzz. And I'm embarrassed of how long I let it grow. So I did go to a cosmetology school. I went to Paul Mitchell Fresno, and they did teach us a little bit how to wax. It still doesn't make it any less painful, but I'm happy that is one thing I did learn. So I feel like that's an advantage I do have when I do have to do these things at home. Going to school for it, it helps a lot. Now these armpits, ladies, don't be like me, okay? Don't wait until you have a whole jungle under your arm to wax. And that hurt a lot, but I'm so happy to have gotten that hair off. I feel so fresh, so clean. A super important step when you're waxing, you need some type of skin smoothing solution. I'm using this one by Peach Slices. It works wonders, and I have sensitive skin, and that really helps with hyperpigmentation and grown hair. I also have a affiliate link if you want to check it out. As a disclaimer, I do get a small commission, but you guys know Mama don't use products that I don't like or don't work, and I am an ingrown hair girly, and that has got me all the way right. So I'll leave that below. These pores needed some TLC, so I'm just doing a face mask by Glow Recipe. I'm gonna let that sit in and just hop in the shower, rinse everything off, do a quick shave, and move on to the next thing, which is gonna be moisturizer and serum. I love press-on nails. I feel like they're super convenient, affordable, easy, especially if you're like in between maintenance and you don't want to set up salon or you don't have time to go. You have some press-ons laying around, girl, just throw them on and it'll make you feel polished and put together right from your own home. And besties, I hate to kill the vibe, but I didn't get to finish this because at this time, my bathroom started to have a crazy sewage backup like something out of a movie, and I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. It was so gross. But still I rise. I'm gonna make a stress relief tea and get to editing this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.